Hi guys, remember me? It's Tiara. I am here with a vlog. It's been forever. Cam, the 1-year-old Cam. Clearly he has something to say. Y'all, it is snowing outside. Let me see if we can show you. It's snowing. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, so I just finished taking pictures for social media. And say hi. Sir, your head is too heavy for you to be doing all that. Cam. I'm tickling his thigh. Y'all, look at all this mess he made. And this is why I have not vlogged in forever. Well, not the only reason, but he's part of the reason why. Oh my gosh, Cam, come here. Come here. Boop, 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 boop. Kaboo, 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 kaboo. Are you sleepy? Yes. Say yes. 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 Yeah, he is talking a little bit. He's walking. He turned 1 last month. So he's still 12 months. And this is my fat dinka. Okay. He is a busybody. I think he's sleepy, y'all. Stop making all that noise. Stop it. Huh. And he's still nursing. Yeah, he's still nursing. So I wanted to do a day in the life video. Yesterday, you guys, CJ was off work for Veterans Day. Also, thank you for your service if there are any veterans watching. But what was I saying? Okay, yeah, yesterday CJ was off and he went through my daily routine with me, you guys. By 1 o'clock, he was laid out on the couch, knocked out, because I was like, you can't hang. Like, he couldn't hang. The only way I'm able to do all the stuff that I'm doing, I think, is because of my coffee, because it keeps me going. I call it my skinny coffee and clarity coffee. So it helps me lose weight, and it also gives me energy and crazy mental clarity. So I'm able to get done the stuff that I need to get done. So I'm nursing him. I know he's tired. He literally took like a 15-minute nap in the car on the way home. I have to go pick up Taylor from school. She had her long day today. Y'all, it's so much that I can update you guys on. Taylor is in preschool now, so she goes half a days most days, but if we ever want her to stay for a full day, she's able to do that. So she's at school right now, and I'm about to run out of space. I have to clear some space on this camera. All right, y'all, it's time for me to get ready to go It's time for me to go pick up Taylor from school. So I'm about to put on Cam's jacket. Yeah, I just bust my tail. I fell trying to climb over this little gate. We have this gate here because, like I said, Cam is all over the place. So to keep him out of stuff, we keep him in there. All right, come on. I know. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, he's so sleepy. Let's go. Y'all don't even look like me. Bye-bye. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got a new car. Well, it's an SUV. I got a GMC Arcadia Denali. I posted the story of how I got it on my Instagram. We were able to purchase it 100% debt free, so no car payments. I always said if I got another car, because my other car was paid off, that it had to be with no car payments, because I have never had a car payment in my life, actually. My parents blessed me with my other car when I was in college because I was a straight A student. And so because I had been spoiled with never experiencing what it was like to have a car payment. I knew I didn't want one. And we're trying to pay off our student loan debt. So I didn't want to add on another expense to our monthly expenses. So if you guys are interested in seeing that story, there's a IGTV video up on my Instagram sharing how I was able to do that. Okay, lighting. The lighting is good. I need to put my ring on. I went to the gym and took a shower and I forgot to put it back on. So let me go grab that. Alright, so if y'all have not been able to tell already, I be rushing, like on the move. I don't even know if I have my cell phone. Do I have my cell phone? Oh my gosh. Got the camera, and I don't even know if I have my cell phone. Y'all, if you have not noticed by now, I am very frazzled because I am doing so much, which is why you have not been seeing me vlog as much, because I'm always like running, moving, like I'm like going a mile a minute, like at all times. So now I'm on my way back to pick up Taylor from school. And then I will go back home. CJ is getting off work, so at the same time I'm picking her up from school, CJ will be leaving work. So we'll probably get home around the same time. And once he's home, he gets the kids ready for the gym and take them out to the gym. So yeah, Cam goes to the gym too now, and that gives me like time to breathe and get my mental space together. I'm able to like sit back, turn off the lights, turn off the TV, pull out a book and do personal development. I get my calls and stuff done during that time. So I love when they go to the gym. And then some days I'll also prepare dinner, depending on like how much other things I have to do. I'll prepare dinner during that time. So when they come home, they'll eat, and Taylor will take her bath and stuff and get ready for bed and school the next day. So I kind of like that she's only in school for half a day for that reason, because since she's only in school half a day, I'm able to spend time with her before she goes to the gym on most days. Alright, well, I will talk to you guys when I get to her school, because safety is first, and my baby's in this car. So I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, just got home. No, I didn't just get home. What am I talking about? My kids just left to go to the gym with their dad. I am over here trying to help one of my newbies. Oops. Trying to help one of my newbies. Okay, so that's it. Taylor got her first progress report today, so I'm super excited. Let's look at it together. This is her first progress report ever in life, and let's show you the rubric. It's for proficient, working, developing skill, help required, not applicable at this time. All right, so for social and emotional skills, my baby got all P's. Y'all know that's important to me. That is my whole field. Language skills, she got all P's. What's this? Fine motor skills, she got all P's. Gross motor skills, she got all P's. Draws a person with required body parts. I don't know what the dashes mean, but Taylor does not draw nose or ears sometimes, so I will work on that with her. But I still think that for her to have all of those other things, she's doing very well for a 4-year-old. Cognitive skills, she recognizes all of her colors. She knew 23 out of 26 letters. She independently counts to 15. She sometimes skips over 16 and she goes 17, 18, 19, 20. And she knows how to count all the way to 30, but she sometimes skips 16. Counts required number of objects, P. She recognized all her shapes except square. Sometimes she mixes up square and rectangle. And then she knows how to draw shapes. I didn't know she knew how to draw all these shapes, but she knew how to draw everything except a triangle and a diamond, which makes sense because she definitely knows. She has mastered doing lines, horizontal and vertical lines, but the diagonal lines, I'm pretty sure that's what hems her up. So I will work on that with her too. Can't create simple patterns. She's loved learning about patterns at school. She recognized all of these numbers except 6. I know she knows 10 too, so I don't know what happened there, but 6, I can see her not knowing that one. And then she got P's in all of these except the ones that were not required at this time. She knows how to write her whole last name though. She does not know her phone number or she knew her address, but we need to start practicing with it again because I'm pretty sure she forgot. She knows Virginia for sure though. So I am so proud of my baby. Let's it says Taylor has made a nice adjustment to pre-K and is making new friends too. I am so happy to have her in class. Her fine motor skills are above target and she is doing well in all other areas also. Thank you for being so supportive of us at school. So I told her we have to get her a treat for sure because she's been killing it and I'm just so proud of her. She's such a sweetheart. So yeah, I'm wondering, am I gonna be like the extra parent and still still like request to do a phone conference even though one isn't really needed? I feel like I still want to talk to her. Like, let's talk. I think I'm gonna do it. I have to. If it's offered, I need to talk to her. What would y'all do? Put in the comments if I'm being extra by requesting this phone conference. But y'all know I worked in the field of education, y'all, so I have to make sure she's on point. I already told her teacher, like, I need her to be ready for kindergarten. Like, I understand y'all enjoy like play learning and stuff, but she also needs to understand, have a seat, and be quiet, because in public school they're not gonna go for that. And mommy is not doing homeschooling, not with Camden. I can't do it. Cam be done snatched all her papers up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So like I said, the kids just left to go to the gym. I am about to do my little wind down and self-care time. So the first thing I do for self-care, I have to clear the space. I cannot be sitting up here talking about I'm doing self-care in this space. Like, I can't do it. Look at this. This is what it looks like after the kids leave. So I'm gonna straighten up in this area first, and then yeah, I'll get myself together.